So today we made leftover soup, and here's how we did it. First you take your pan, you get your ladle, your leftover frozen vegetables that you cut up in bulk this winter, your chicken broth from the chicken that you stewed up yesterday, and then your chicken pieces and your potato for stock. The chicken bone broth stuff is gonna be gelatin because it's been in the fridge. And now that all the chicken is pulled apart, I didn't use a knife because I was really lazy. But you always just gotta make sure you wash your hands when you're cooking, so that's good stuff. Then I'm just gonna let it cook on high for a little bit to get warm, and then I'll decide how much of the potatoes I'm gonna throw in. Doesn't that look good? I'm just gonna add a couple scoops of potatoes. Okay, I used maybe a quarter of the potatoes. And then just a few hits of garlic powder for flavor. Mix it well, and there you have it. And then when it's all warm, you've got supper. Pretty easy. Don't forget to taste test your final product. If it seems like something's missing, ask a sister. Hey sisters!